Fire burned out, warmth has gone away. The fire burned out, darling, warmth is gone. You turned so cold on me, babe.
จิ้มน้ำยาปลาร้าปลาดุกน้ำยาเข้มข้นกลิ่นปลาร้าหอมนวลอบอวลอยู่ในหม้อ
Chicken with
เรา
chili
ให้ทุกคนพิสูจน์ความอร่อยแล้ววันนี้ที่โลตัสใกล้บ้านคุณ
like that เผ็ดไหมเผ็ด
Hidden Taste Thailand Presented by Lotus
ขอบคุณค่ะ How you know Lesure อ่ะ
I don't know.
Low fat How you know What you got What you got
50 baht. 50 baht for this.
50 baht You not open the grocery shop honey You don't need the whole pack ค่ะ
Oh, it's good to have at
No.
home.
No หยุด
Crazy good, no?
Yeah, like the small shop they would like to buy lotus and
Yeah.
sell it like 5 baht per pack.
Right.
You know, like my grandma before.
Yeah.
A lot of snacks can in lotus, and especially is very cheap. Can get a lot of food. And oat milk, this is my favorite. It's from Sweden. So cheap. But this one is good for coffee. This one haven't tried anything of this. But this one they recently moved the factory to Thailand. That's why it's so cheap. Before it's like 100 baht. Which one you want? This is normal. This isอะไรอะ like whole wheat
Yeah. No, not whole wheat.
Which one? This? Ooh, wow. Okay. หอมมาก
Amen. Turn off.
A lot of stuff. Yeah?
That's so
Okay.
good.
Come closer. Oh, you need to eat hello. Can you grab egg? Egg. Can you grab egg? Egg. Grab egg.
You want me to grab egg? You want me to film or grab egg? Huh?
I just got new curtain to hanging around there. Let's see. This one. It's quite big, guys. think gonna hang around this. Oh. I need to move the plant first. So this is really easy. We just put this one up there, and then this will connect it to this one, like see. Very easy. No, I just want it to be. Alright, this is the finished one, but I think we cannot do too much the textures like this because it's so short. But I'm thinking only like this or put another curtain like half. But it look nice. It's better because I put another one. It's look more like better, more detail like this. It's like perfect. Put it back here. Ish. Alright, I just came back from the market. Let's see what I got. I went to 7-Eleven. This one. Ooh, it smells already. I love this drink so much, guys. I just tried like a couple times and I think it's very good. Which is this one, Habu fruit tea. So good. I didn't film a lot in market because like chaos and I need my phone. So yeah, let's see what I got. Oh my god. First thing first, hydrate. So good. Oh my god. Play from 7-Eleven. I'm going to make shabu tonight, so I just went to the market and bought like vegetable. This one, the onion, green onion, and lime. So cheap. This one like 10 baht. Lime, onion, and I got mango, pretty big one. 2 mango. Corn for shabu tonight. Mushroom. For the shabu, we have chili, tomato, and morning glory. This one, it's very big. Oh my god! Oh, I think like 20 baht or 10 baht. Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't put it back, but. Anyway, and I also got another corn, but this corn is a boiled corn. So that's it. I'm gonna make shabu tonight. Shabu. Make a sauce. ชอบไหม ชอบชาบูไหม
Yeah, shop mark. Long time since we had it.
Yeah, we have garlic.
Yeah.
Chili. What are you doing?
I'm mixing the meat before we put it in the soup.
Yeah. Oh, น่ากินมาก We have MK sauce as well. MK suki sauce.
You want me to put the rest on?
It's more veggie, more meat. And I also bought another soup as well, in case it's not enough. It's so good. Now we're waiting.